you do the leg work of the signature shuffle dance, you can move on to the arms. So let's just jump right into it. So the first move, jumping here, your arm goes up here, in front of your face. Talk to my hand, because my face won't listen. So you jump up, down. No, when you jump back up again, your left hand is gonna say swing to the side. Yeah, so you're doing a circle here to the side. And as I said, at the same time, you want to jump up. And so as if you're sweeping something away. Go away. So let's take it from here. Boom. You just jump back, up, down. Now sweep. From here, you want to say arm goes up. So your left arm goes up. And then you want to move to this move. Right? So from here, you want to say up, and also my right hand wants to say like that. I want to prepare for this move. Yeah, so I'm just bringing it up here, and then let's just do the arms. So the arms are saying, I just said sweep, I want to say up, now I'm saying go into the middle, maybe cross each other a bit, and then I want to say out. So let's just do that again. Arms starting here, sweep, up, prep. Now I want to say down to the middle, out to the sides. Let's just do that again. From here, I'm going to do sweep. 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep, move on to the top, prep. Now go to the middle, cross, and out. Okay, so sweep up here, cross, out, down, up. Let's do it from the top. So we want to say jump, now jump on the right, jump back out, get ready to sweep, boom, and prep. Now, middle, out, down, up. And you want to say up here, and then you want to say the arms are preparing for this. So I'm doing ha and ha. So arms are saying up and left. Again, 7, 8, up and left. Legs are saying up and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, up and jump. Okay, so let's try that with the leg work. So from here, we want to say jump, right, jump, get ready to sweep, sweep, get ready to say up, prep. Now go down, yeah. Notice how my knees are turning inwards here. And then I want to say go out. So boom, here. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, you want to go jump, right, out. Now get ready to sweep, up, prep, middle, out. And there's a small detail here. If you want to make it look even better, you can do this here move. Yeah, so the head goes to the side, and then you want to say back. So from, let's say, sweep, and actually already starts here, whoop, and out. So let's just do that. You know what, let's just do it one last time. So sweep, and here, out. So again with the leg work, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, up, jump, sweep, prep, down, out. Okay, so from here, your hands are saying down, knees inwards. Now the part that comes after this is whoop, whoop, whoop. And your arms are saying down, up, and your left wants to sit up here. So it's doing sort of a circle, whoop, here, and then it actually continues for the next moves, but let's just wait for that. So we were here, now you want to say down, up, and alright. Let's just do that. So arms are saying whoop, sorry, we were here, down, up, left continues, the right just drops, and then stop somewhere here, yeah? It's not actually stopping, but until we move on to the next part. So, from here, we want to say down, up, and around. Let's try that once more. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, left continues. So, left here. Now it wants to continue behind me, whoop, past me, and then the right goes to the front. Yeah, so it's swinging here, and then my left hand comes here to the front. And then I'm doing ha and ha. So let's just try that again. We were here, arms are saying down, right comes up, ha, and ha. So we're actually saying down, past, right goes ha, and ha, and ha. Now the legs, you want to say jump and jump and. So let's just do that again. The arms are saying here, the legs are saying whoop, whoop. So 5, 6, sorry, our legs are here. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and boom, and. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and boom, and. Now from here we want to say open once more, and then we want to say switch. Yeah, so notice that most of my weight is on my left, and I'm supporting here with my right. So we did ha, and switch. So notice I'm jumping from my right to my left. So let's just do that again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, and jump, and jump, jump. And my left is coming up here again. I don't know why they keep hiding their face. Alright, let's do it again and then we can move on. So, from this part, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, and jump, and jump, jump. Okay guys, we're almost at the end, so hang in there. We just did our whip, tap, tap, jump, jump. From here, when you do the running man, you keep your arm up here, but when you jump down, your hand follows. Yeah, so we're from here, jump, down. Now the other hand is saying, hey, 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 hey. So basically just saying, hey, 5, 6, 7, 8, hey. So jump, 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 jump. From here, running man, boom, down, hey, 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 hey. And then we're getting ready for the spinning. From here you want to say spin. Yeah, so your arms are throwing, or you're throwing your arms backward here to get some momentum, to swing around, jump, and then arms are coming up when you do the spin, and then down, stop. That's it. Okay, so let's just try that a few times. So we did jump, 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 getting ready for the jump running man. We want to do whoop, whoop, cheer on, hey, hey, throw them back, jump, jump. Now from here we want to swing our arms up, down. Okay, one last time. From here, running man, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, here, hey, 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 prep, jump, up, down. Alright guys, let's do the whole thing from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we can take it slow. So from here, we wanna do jump, up, jump, sweep, up, boom, boom, out, down, up, and round. Get ready to jump, jump, open, jump, running man, boom, boom, prep, hey, 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 prep, jump, round, up, down. Alright, let's do it again slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go, jump, back up, jump, get ready to sweep, sweep, get ready to take them up, down, out, down again. Now we want to say up and across. This one goes around, and you want to jump, whoop, and then repeat this, now jump back, and then you want to say running man, down, cheer, A, prep, jump, around, hands up, down. Alright guys, let's do it one last time. Remember, you can always rewind and change your YouTube speed settings if you like to, but let's do it one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump, sweep, arms up, grip, out, down, up, down, cross, just jump out, one last time, boom, switch, now, running man, down, cheer, hey, prep, jump, around, down. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the signature shuffle dance emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.